automatically put her in cuffs and walk her out. They will automatically put her in cuffs and walk her right out.
I got a big ass fucking problem with racism. I don't even care. Just take me in prison. I have problems to go. I'm gonna kill you. You're the racist ass motherfucker. I didn't do nothing wrong. I didn't do nothing wrong. Look those white ass motherfuckers.
On October 6, 2002, Hillsborough County Sheriff's Office deputies responded to Tampa International Airport's Terminal 4 after a disruptive, intoxicated passenger was removed from an outgoing flight. The subject, identified as Chelsea, was already handcuffed and seated at the gate when deputies arrived. Their task: assess the situation, gather facts, and determine what charges the evidence would support. Chelsea immediately claimed the airline crew had acted out of racial animus. Under the First Amendment, this type of verbal accusation, however confrontational, is constitutionally protected expression. The Supreme Court held in City of Houston v. Hill that speech directed at law enforcement, even when profane, does not alone constitute grounds for arrest. Deputies made no such charge, correctly.
Yep. Automatically put her in cuffs and walk her out. They will automatically put her in cuffs and walk her right out. Man, I don't have any. Oh, I can't put them on now.
I got you, so I just let her go. Wait on him.
What's the matter?
Arms up. He be racist. He keep me off the plane.
Okay, all right.
He be racist.
All right, give me a minute.
He keep me off the plane.
Turn around.
Yes,
turn
sir.
around. This is for my safety and yours.
Put your hand behind your back, ma'am.
Yes, I'm not intoxicated.
All right.
He picked on me.
Come on. Let's go sit over here. Come sit over here. Ma'am, come sit over here.
No, ma'am. I'm listening to you.
Okay, we're going to come sit.
Have a seat.
Have a seat.
Have a seat.
But don't be racist and kick me off a plane. He kick me off a plane. Over nothing. I wasn't doing nothing. Ask all of them. I wasn't doing
But
nothing.
it's too late for that now. All right?
I don't
It's just too late for
care.
that.
I
It's
wasn't
too
doing
late for that.
nothing. It's
All
still
right?
racism. Call racism what racism is.
All right.
Man, I done lost too many friends for this racist ass shit.
You got her,
I lost too many friends for this white ass people shit.
Ma'am, I need to ask you a question. Are you on any medication or are you...
No, test me.
No, we're trying to find out if you have something medical going on.
No, ma'am, they picked on me and I'm hurt.
How much have you had to drink today?
I had about 2 double shots and 2 seltzers.
Okay. Well, ma'am, what's your name? Chelsea, Deputy Soto.
I can't shake your
Oh,
hand.
that's okay. Deputy Soto, Deputy Schaffner. Listen,
What the hell in my mouth?
listen. I don't have any gloves on.
Can you wipe the hair out of my mouth? I
We're gonna-
promise I ain't gonna bite you.
You told. Okay.
He gave me up the
Look at me, listen to me.
He told me.
Listen to me. Listen to me.
It was in my bag.
We're gonna get your ID. Listen to me now.
I just wanted to go home.
Okay,
I
but
didn't
listen
want
to
no
me.
problem. I didn't want no problem.
All right, but now listen to me. Listen to me. I'm gonna ask you something. You told Deputy Schaffner that you had 2 drinks, 2
Yeah,
shots, right?
I did.
Maybe that's probably why.
I was sitting down to be quiet and they came to me and picked on me.
Well,
Didn't nobody else say shit but them. I
listen,
was not
it's-
saying nothing about it. I was just sitting down being quiet trying to
it's
go
too late.
home and order more
But now
shit.
it's too late for that.
But
Now,
they gonna pick on me because I know that love is love.
Okay.
Because I'm not racist, they gonna pick on me.
it's all right. Relax.
Yeah, I'm getting loud because I got a problem with racism. I got a big ass fucking problem with racism. I don't even care. Just take me in prison. I don't even give a motherfucking care. But y'all ain't gonna hate on.
All right.
Y'all ain't gonna just tell me that because I don't submit that fucking black is different than white because I ain't gonna ever submit to that.
Man, we're not
Guys,
talking
I ain't gonna submit to that.
Listen to me. You're
Hey, y'all being racist, I don't care. I don't even care.
okay. There's
I don't even care if you pick on white people. Fuck white people. You can pick on me all you want.
All right.
I don't even care. I didn't do nothing wrong. I didn't do nothing
We
wrong.
got her cuffed already.
Sir,
Yeah, we're gonna take her out.
I didn't do nothing wrong. No, y'all be racist. Y'all asked me to stand up, bro.
Chelsea, yeah, we're gonna go
They
now.
give me on the plane for nothing. I'm
We're gonna go,
trying
Chelsea.
to go home. I'm just trying to
Put
go
your shoes
home.
on,
They
Chelsea.
don't play for
Chelsea.
nothing, bro, 'cause I-
Chelsea, put your shoes on. Put your shoes on.
No, it ain't okay, bro.
What up? You got all the rest of her bags?
Yeah, this is it. These and
That's it?
Overplayed for nothing.
Those aren't hers?
They don't give me overplayed for nothing, bro. Because I know love is love. Because
right,
I
well-
ain't white enough for them. They don't give me overplayed because I ain't white enough for them.
Ma'am, there are
Fuck
children
you,
here.
your white asses.
There
You're
are-
fucking
there are
your white ass
children
bitches.
There are children here,
I don't
okay?
even care. Fuck you and your white ass bitches. Fuck the next white man, too. I promise to God, fuck those white asses. Get your white ass play out the plane because you ain't white enough. No, I ain't white enough. Fuck your racism. Fuck your racism. Lock me up. I don't care if you let me out. Lock me up, you racist ass. Racist ass motherfucker ass. Can I give a motherfucker? I'm just trying to fly home and do right. Ask me if I give a fuck about those fucking racist ass motherfucker. I ain't submitting to this shit. Fuck y'all. Y'all pick on a white bitch trying to fly home and go to prison. Pick on me. Pick on me.
Chelsea,
I don't give
relax.
a
Sit
fuck.
down.
And I ain't drunk enough to put up with your shit.
Okay,
Pick on me.
Okay, okay.
Pick on me. I don't give a fuck.
Take
Kill
have a
me.
seat.
I don't give a fuck. I promise to God.
get shackles.
Get them. We don't need them. I don't give a fuck. You white ass motherfuckers. You white ass motherfuckers.
Let's go, let's go.
Oh, let's pick on her. She's trying to go to prison. Let's pick on her. She's trying to send her ass back to prison. I don't give a fuck. Fuck y'all's racist ass. Fuck y'all's racist ass motherfuckers. I'm just trying to fly home and go to prison. Y'all trying to hate on somebody. Cause if it ain't white, it ain't right. Well, fuck y'all. Fuck you. Fuck your racist ass motherfuckers.
Yeah, we'll.
Fuck you! And I promise to God I'm gonna kill you! You're the racist ass motherfucker! You're the racist ass motherfucker!
I got it.
So, yeah, I'll give a fuck of you back!
All right, relax.
You're racist ass motherfucker! No! No!
Push,
you
push, push.
listen, you racist! You just
No, don't do that. Don't do that.
You just as racist as the white man. You are just as racist
All right, push.
as the white
I
man.
got the head.
Racism.
Yeah, I know. I'm not.
You're racist as a motherfucker. I'm trying to go home. And because I don't agree to racism, you're gonna lock me up. Because I know that love is love. Y'all gonna lock me up. Fuck y'all, love is love. Fuck you racist motherfuckers. Fuck you racist motherfuckers. Fuck y'all. All I do is try to do nothing to go home. Racist ass motherfuckers. Because I don't love only white, y'all gonna hate on me. I don't even care. I don't even care.
We care. Ow, 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 ow.
No, you don't.
Don't pinch. Good? Got it?
Ow.
Got it?
Love is love.
I'm all right.
White people should
Okay,
be able to love black people.
No, we're not putting cuffs on our legs.
White people.
Where's the door? Right here, right here. These doors. You can't go out these doors. No, go to the other door. Oh, yeah. Trust the car.
Fuck you racist.
We're gonna have to.
Racist ass motherfuckers.
Let the alarm go.
Telling me what I can't.
Go ahead. Gotta hold the head. Open the door. Open the door.
Yeah, I've been doing like this a long time, man.
Yeah, I know. There we go. Push.
Fuck you racist ass motherfuckers.
I know.
Racist ass motherfuckers.
Got it.
Oh!
Okay.
I didn't do that wrong. I didn't do that wrong. I didn't do that wrong. I just want to go home. Please give me a Bible, please. Please give me my Bible.
Who's got these four?
I'm not fighting. I'm not fighting. I'm not fighting.
Open up the back door. Who's your score?
I'm not fighting. I'm not fighting. I'm not fighting.
No, okay.
Stand up. Stand up. Okay.
I'm not fighting.
Okay. All right. Stand up. Stand up.
Don't shoot me.
We're not gonna do
Stand
that.
up. Don't take those off.
No, double lock
I'm
it.
sorry about this.
Never double lock.
What's your name?
Chastity.
Yeah.
Can you stand up?
Yes.
Thank you.
All right.
Oh, jeez.
I'm sorry, you were on where you said you
Over
were
there?
taking the street.
Where? Here? Right here. Okay, Jeff.
Trying to keep quiet.
I know. Hey, stop it before we go in. Yeah. Sandy, come back.
You're on 31 units, 10-4.
Just take them off.
Sandy,
please.
come on over here.
No, we can't take those off now.
No.
I'm not racist, Jake. I love you. I'm just trying to go
Hey,
home.
lift up your right leg.
Jake, I love you.
Chastity, lift up your right leg.
I just want to go home.
Put it up.
I can tell Jake, I love you. I'm not
It's going to be
racist.
before when you have those two slaves,
I'm
references,
not
and beliefs,
racist.
reduce one to try.
We believe you.
I'm
Lift up your left leg.
gonna be here. I'm not racist. You ain't gonna do me like this.
Okay.
Please give me a Bible. Send my juicy book.
Hey, I'll follow you to the jail.
Officer, my juicy book. My juicy bag. You got it? You got it?
We got everything.
We got your bag.
Where's my juicy bag? Show it.
Okay, we'll show it to you.
All right.
How much you had to drink?
No. No, what?
Okay.
Oh! No, what? Let go of me.
No.
No, straight my camera. Fucking ass. My camera. No, I'll
Relax,
let
come
go.
on.
I
Have a
got
seat.
it.
Have a seat.
Officer,
Have
I
a
got it.
seat.
I will. Let me go.
I did not go in.
Ow! I do nothing wrong.
Sit up.
I just want to go home. I do nothing wrong.
You'll get the opportunity to go home as soon as we get done. Get up. Sit up. Get up in the chair.
Sit up. Sit on the chair.
I do nothing wrong.
There we go. Get the seat back.
I do nothing wrong. But not agree with racism, and y'all gonna
Go ahead.
pick on me. I didn't do nothing wrong. I didn't do nothing wrong. What else?
Deputy Soto asked Chelsea directly about alcohol consumption. She admitted to 2 double shots and 2 seltzers, a voluntary statement directly relevant to establishing probable cause for her arrest. Florida Statute Section 856.011 requires 3 elements. The subject must be intoxicated, in a public place, and must endanger the safety of others or cause a public disturbance. Chelsea's admitted consumption, her documented removal from the aircraft, and her ongoing agitated behavior inside a busy airport terminal independently and fully satisfy all 3 statutory elements. As behavior escalated, deputies used soft, empty hand control. Under Graham versus Connor, force is evaluated from the perspective of a reasonable officer on the scene, not with 20/20 hindsight. Chelsea was visibly agitated, pulling away and escalating verbally. Deputies' proportional physical holds and continued verbal engagement were consistent with the standard established by Graham versus Connor. As transport began, resistance increased. Florida Statute Section 843.02 defines resisting without violence as obstructing a lawful duty, without offering or threatening physical force. Chelsea's repeated refusal to follow commands, her physical pulling away from deputies during movement toward the patrol vehicle, and her attempts to obstruct transport each independently satisfy this statute. Chelsea then issued a direct verbal threat toward a deputy. Whether that statement qualifies as a prosecutable true threat hinges on whether a reasonable person would interpret it as a genuine expression of intent. Virginia versus Black established that a true threat requires communication of serious intent to commit violence. A direct, face-to-face threat during an active arrest presents a stronger case than a remote or abstract statement. At the vehicle, deputies applied leg shackles while Chelsea resisted. Florida Statute Section 784.03 defines battery as intentional unconsented contact satisfied by forceful resistance during shackling.
Wait a minute. Huh? I gotta get all her information. You find ID?
Yeah, we're looking. Somehow she got through with the
TSA. There we go. Let me see.
Here's her glasses in there. Want to take a picture of that so you can get out a letter?
Cell phone in here. Toiletries. Cash. Deodorant.
I'm just going straight over to top.
All right.
I got pictures of her seatbelted in the car and her face.
They said she small things.
You got a phone? All right.
That's where they said she small things.
What's your home phone? That's hers.
Regina said, yeah.
She had a knife on her.
That was in her, and it was in her
She got through
purse.
security.
Yeah, that's what's up. Tell TSA that's what's up.
I'm good. Hey, buddy.
Now, let me get that.
I'm on teletest.
Jesus.
Well, I thought close up. You want me to go through her purse?
I think, you made her bag?
Yeah.
I think we did the purse, right?
Yeah, we've just done the purse.
Yeah, just make sure she got that thing.
I got this already. Yeah, I think Sarge did.
Yeah, that's what's up. I don't know. Me neither.
No, that's me.
Hey, they gonna ask for a
That's
sub.
me. My car's downstairs though, so
They go, hey,
hang out with her until I do my PC.
how much?
Yeah, and then we're gonna put it back in your car.
Hell nah.
I'm gonna follow you.
You gonna follow this nigga to the main jail?
I live at 6
Kilo
man.
Alpha
Me
Yankee.
too.
Okay, that's your fault.
Hey, guarantee that's gonna be a sup for everybody. For sure.
10.
Once secured, Chelsea's demeanor shifted. Her combative posture gave way to visible distress. Deputies maintained a calm, professional tone throughout, communicating without escalating at every available opportunity. Deputies inventoried Chelsea's belongings on camera, standard procedure that protects both the subject and the department by establishing a clear chain of custody and a baseline against any future property claims. Chelsea was charged with battery, disorderly intoxication, and resisting without violence. She was booked at Orient Road Jail and ordered to pay fines, consistent with a first offense plea arrangement. The lesson: visible intoxication in public, combined with physical resistance and verbal threats, creates multiple independent criminal charges. Each charge stands alone. They do not require each other to hold.